So you're thinking about moving to Dallas, Texas, and you kind of want to know what's going on around Dallas, Texas, and everything that it has to offer. Well, right now we're down here in Deep Ellum. If you've ever heard of it before, maybe you haven't, it was really popular back in the 90s. Then during the 2000s, kind of took a little dip, but now it's definitely hit a resurgence. You can see as I pan around here, quite a bit of activity today. It's just right outside of downtown area. And it's a lot to do around here. It actually consists of 3 different streets, and that is Elm Street, Main Street, and Commerce Street. We're actually here on Main Street right now, and our office is 1 street over on Elm Street. We actually office out of this area. We're kind of at the back end of Deep Ellum though, and it is a really cool spot. Now you've got a ton of, like this place right here, Stir. That's a really good spot to eat. We just came from Pecan Lodge, one of the top restaurants, barbecue restaurants in all of Dallas. It's absolutely amazing as well. But in this video, we're just going to take you around. I believe there's a festival going on right now too. So we're going to kind of head down that little arts festival. There's quite a bit going on. Plenty of shops, restaurants, boutique shopping, new spots. This place is, I don't even know what this place is called, but this just finished up. So a major resurgence here in the Deep Ellum, and you can see downtown right there. So literally just steps away from that, on top of that. But a lot going on here on the weekends. You have everything that you need. So we're going to take you around, kind of do a little bit of a walking tour so you can get familiar with Deep Ellum, kind of see a bunch of little stops. I'll probably pop in and out a little bit. So let's get after it right now. All right, so we're kind of in this little section right here. You can see you've got the Point skate shop if you got to get all your skating needs taken care of. You got Politics, that's a pretty cool bar right over here. You have Harlow, rooftop bar, good little view. You can catch a little bit of it downtown. And there's a little arts and crafts things going on right over in there. So that's pretty good too. You kind of got the famous sign over here, Deep Ellum. Big. You can go stand right in the middle of that BG and spell big if you like. That's a kind of one of those Instagrammy spots, right? You got the I love you sign. That used to be on our old intro over there. But this is a pretty cool little block right here. Let's go venture down a little bit more. Over here we got Maracas, Casina, Mexico. We're gonna try to cross the street real quick. Don't try this at home, by the way, especially whenever you're holding the camera. We got the vintage store right here where you can get all the cool Vespas. So if you need to buy a Vespa, then that's definitely a good spot to do. And then right down here is a French bakery as well on the street. So it's a good little spot to come for breakfast and to do something like that. You even got the hair studio. You've got Monkey Noodle over here, or Monkey King, King Noodle. One of those, Monkey King Noodle, King Noodle. I'm trying to think. You can see here you got like the little boutique shops going on in there, but a good little noodle shop over here as well. Oh, we're coming up on the French bakery right here. So get you some beignets, French bread, all that other good stuff. Then you're going to come down here. You've got All Good Cafe. Oh, there it is. Monkey King Noodle. I knew it was something like that. King Noodle, Monkey King. You got All Good Cafe right here. That's a great place. Come here for breakfast. They get some coffee. Everything's going on around here. Let's go check out a little bit more. Oh, and they just brought in Hattie B's right here. Hattie B's Nashville Hot Chicken. So if you're thinking of making a decision between Dallas and Nashville because you love the hot chicken so much in Nashville, you can still move to Dallas, and you got Hattie B's here right now as well. Looks like we're heading down here to the festival. That looks like that's popping off over here. But the other part about what a lot of people like about Deep Ellum is that there's a ton of graffiti everywhere. So this is definitely your cultural and arts area on top of that. So everywhere you go down here, tons and tons of graffiti, wall art, murals, everything taking up the whole sides of buildings in some case. Actually, as I walk right up here, you'll see this mural on this apartment complex, which is all the way up. You can see right there, it goes all the way up. Oh, and there's Terry Black's Barbecue as well. One of the other popular spots here for barbecue. Terry Black's and Pecan Lodge, probably two of the best barbecue spots here in the Dallas area. So again, I don't know if you can see all the way up that apartment complex right there. They've painted that. So it's just all over the place. Everywhere you go, you're just gonna see murals, graffiti, everything, all types of artwork. And then of course we're heading into the festival. So let's go check that out. All right, so I hope that gave you a little idea of what Deep Ellum is all about. It's pretty busy around there, especially on the weekends. I mean, if you want a little less traffic, you can come on the weekdays, but you have everything you need there. We're just right off of Elm Street, actually. And then you have our office building. So this is where we office out of. And this was built in the late 1800s. As you can see, it was the old Continental Gin building. And so we're right here in the middle of the action. We have an office up in Frisco as well, but still, this is where we do a lot of our work. And if you want to go inside and take a look, we can jump inside and let me show you around real quick our office. All right, first of all, what I love about this building is we have a coffee shop in the lobby. In the morning, they have breakfast burritos, everything you need. I mean, cookies, snacks. Now, I tend to stay away from that stuff, because you don't want to eat it every single day. But I love this building. Again, late 1800s, you can see all of the different style of decor in here. Mainly, this is an industrial and mid-century modern look that they have going on. Now, the funny thing is I feel like I'm in pretty good shape, but when you take 3 flights of stairs, somehow it always seems to get a little winded. But now we're gonna turn the corner. Got some people doing some work over here. And because we have the coffee shop downstairs, they usually have coffee set up for us right there. But you got other offices in here. So this is a great area for networking, hanging out, meeting other small business owners. But otherwise, if you come in, you can use any of the common areas. And welcome to our office. So here we have kind of like the main little lobby area. And then we come around here. We just had a team meeting yesterday. So this is the main team meeting area where you can see nice sitting area, but usually we do the slide decks up there. And then we have right over here, have a little kitchenette, fridge, everything. But my favorite part, of course, when you come into here is we have a studio built out in here, so that way myself or any of the team members can come in here and record. Everything's on like one little flip switch. You turn it on, lights, camera, action, everything comes on. So that's pretty cool. If you've seen any videos with this in the background, this is where we're at, is in our office. So anyways, I hope you found this brief little tour of Deep Ellum helpful if you're thinking about moving here. Anyways, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We're happy to help you make a smooth move to Dallas. And until next time, well, we hope to show you around town.